Sagittarius, this is your channel messages for the 2nd of June. Sagittarius, your channel message is the 10 of Cups, the 4 of Wands, Capricorn. So we all know Capricorn rules the devil, okay? So I'm getting something about Capricorn. I'm also getting something about your home. I'm not sure if a Capricorn was in your home, or you're going to find out some very disturbing news about what happened in your home. The 10 of Wands is your family. It could be family and kids, an engagement, a union. Okay? So I'm getting something about, I don't know if your wife been doing something at home while they're at work. Alright? Or something about either your husband or your wife is seeing a Capricorn. We're getting Capricorn, Pisces, and something about this home. Maybe somebody asking you for, hey, can we go to this party? And you're like, you never ever was interested in things like these. We're getting somebody brought you somewhere and somebody they were fond of. I guess they wanted to go there to see them, but them couldn't leave you at home. I don't know, I think somebody manipulate you to go to this event. I don't know if somebody planned to meet somebody at this event, but them can't get rid of you, so them bringing you along, okay? But I'm getting something about a Pisces and a Capricorn. Now, before I go into your reading, I want to talk about something that probably stroked me the wrong way yesterday. So, Logic. You remember Logic? Yeah, I don't fuck with nobody. Nobody. You know Logic, right? Okay, great. So, Bobby had Logic on her podcast. I'm not sure if it was a couple of days ago, right? And Logic was talking about the fact that him said something, and then him say, yeah, but it's not like I haven't thought about myself, right? Killing himself. And then he made a few jokes about it, right? He was very comical about either overcoming these emotions or managing these emotions on a daily basis. And I know people will say, well, if you joke about suicide, chances are you're not. No, sometimes you internalize it and you have a very, very dark humor. Not everybody, okay? So, Logic was telling Bobby how the fact that him wanted to kill himself before. And then her response was, yeah, I don't want you to do that, yeah. And, I don't even want to talk about it because I don't even want to, she was saying something to the tune of, she don't even want to talk about that on our show. Next thing you hear that she was the one responsible. You see, this is what Dr. Umar was talking about, right? And I don't, by no means am I saying this for anybody to bully Bobby, right? But you see, when the Snow Bunny intention is to capture the black man, the Snow Bunny will turn against her own motherfucking kind. Bobby, weren't you the one who tell NLE Chopper that when you were 14 years old, you didn't want to commit suicide? And any NLE Chopper, which I thought was 48, he is actually really, 22, him was the one who was saying, oh, I'm glad you didn't do it. You know what? I'm really happy. You looking back at your 14-year-old self saying that, you know what? You saved yourself. And she was like, thank you. It's getting me emotional. So look how the Black King decide to address your emotions when on your podcast you invite this nigga. Niggas don't know nothing about motherfucking suicide, bitch. Niggas be killing each other off. They don't need motherfucking suicide, right? You decide to confess your darkest sins to a nigga, to a man, which was NLE Chopper. This wasn't Peter, wait a name? Hold on. This wasn't, wait a name? I don't remember his name. This wasn't fucking Peter. This wasn't Tony fucking Robbins, right? You decide to talk about your deepest, darkest secret about when you're 14 you want to kill yourself. I mean, I know how 14. I'm not going to say that. Let us rewind. I don't know why you decide if you wanted to tell NLE Chopper, say you wanted to take yourself out. You wanted to make yourself your own target at the age 14. But when your own kind, which was white, came to you saying that he had days when he feel like killing himself, you dismiss it as a white woman. Billy, you like Bobby, you like black man? Because I feel like there was a certain biasness when it comes down to Black Lives Matter compared to White Lives Matter. Because why would you be so comfortable for tell any NLE Chopper say you wanted to hurt yourself at 14? No, everybody growing up. How old is Logic? You were not even there for your fellow white man. This is what Dr. Umar was talking about. Not only were you intentional in putting your claws in a nigga, but you turned your back on the white male. And then we have Adon Ross cussing off Doechii, telling Doechii she was a fucking asshole towards food staff. What the fuck, right? Wait. Logic is 35. So him way older than you. This is almost a couple years older than me. I don't know how old she is, but I mean, you see how dismissive you were. You know, you see how insensitive sometimes. I'm not gonna say women, because the black women was not in this. I'm not gonna say women, but you see how insensitive. You see how you so concerned about your image not looking fucked up. You never remember say somebody else did have sold you when you wanted to be vulnerable. NLE Chopper could have said, you know what, yeah, I don't want you to talk about this right now because you a white girl, you know. Him could have said anything. But he stood there and he addressed your emotions. He was saying so thankful he never killed himself at 14 and how him so glad. And he even say he was getting emotional. So why? Logic story never get you emotional? No, it got you very dismissive to just dismiss his emotions. Yeah, you say you want to kill yourself? Okay, well, don't talk about it on my show. Okay. When the NLE Chopper was in front of you, I knew something was wrong. Anytime I see a white woman running into a brother's arms, I know something's wrong. Why you dismiss your own kind? But you're willing. And NLE Chopper is a type of man where woman will vent to. So maybe it's a swag, but Logic sings suicidal songs. If anybody supposed to understand it, it was him. Maybe he was looking for you to maybe address it. NLE was there for you. Maybe it was your time to be there for somebody, your own kind, and you dismissed it. This is why niggas was in Paris. You see why niggas was in Paris now? You have a hard time on niggas because of visas. Niggas have to be everywhere. We have a superhero. It's nigga man. Anyways, let's go ahead and go into your reading. Your channel message is, just to repeat, is the Capricorn, 10 of Cups, 4 of Wands. Bobby remind me of the same girl who was supposed to marry this guy upon this wedding show. She white, the guy white, and hear her no. I left him at the altar because he just did not know his views when it came on to Black Lives Matter. She white, her man white, her family white. Why you did care about what this white guy where you was supposed to marry will look like you care about Black Lives Matter? Were you planning to adopt a black baby? And if you were planning to adopt a black baby, what would be the story? White guy, white girl with a black child. Why you have a black child? It's because you couldn't get a white child, or is it because black was your preference? So many questions, and Rogers Canada does not get them daily payment, no, monthly payment from me to give me the answers right now. So that it was giving exactly what Dr. Umar was talking about. Because you have some people who hate black people, you have some people who fuck with black people, you have people who fuck with black people over them kind, just like how you have black people who would fuck with white people over them kind. I'm not sure if it was a colored girl sitting down in the chair telling NLE Chopper that she wanted to kill herself at 14. We don't know. Him probably would have dismissed it. We don't know. But what we do know is y'all did Logic terrible. Dismiss Logic. Anyways, let's go ahead and go into your reading. Atrocious. And while we wait and go into your reading, I want you to listen to a song, just a clip of it. YouTube, I know the rights and regulations of YouTube. Chances are you have a Google technician stalking out my clit. So while him stalk me, copyright me, and let's just go into a vibe just to soothe this emotion. It was only a kiss, it was only a kiss. And just now, he takes off her dress now. Me go. 'Cause I just can't look, it's killing me. Jealousy. What's happening? Okay, let's go ahead and go into your reading. Hopefully the emo-ness inside of you has purged and you don't feel that sad anymore. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. Sagittarius, let's go. First card out is the Six of Pentacles. The Six of Pentacles is help, all right? The Six of Pentacles does not only talk about help monetarily. It talks about offering a shoulder to cry on. So even though somebody may be financially better than you, somebody might seem stronger than you, sometimes they don't have it mentally all together. And sometimes they want a second opinion. Perhaps in that moment, logically want a female for addressing emotions. Now I don't know what's happening at home with his wife. Why, either that was something he had to say to Bobby, which was younger than him, or yeah, I don't know what his wife is doing. Not a white woman. Anyways, we have the Six of Pentacles. Yeah, I'm getting something about it was supposed to be an even exchange, a very intimate conversation. But I'm getting it never get reciprocated the way how you want it to. Six of Pentacles meant like mentally I'm tired. I'm tired mentally, not physically, mentally. We have the, yeah, see, you're tired. Four of Swords, you're tired. You're tired for think. You're tired for have these self-doubting thoughts. You're tired for think about what the public think about you. You just want go to sleep and never wake up. I just wish I could sleep all day. You don't want to deal with this. And the Four of Swords is resting. You see? It have swords over him. There's a heart at the back. This is like a church. I'm getting a feel like, you know what, that's why I don't open up. That's why I don't tell people shit. Because every time I do it, I get dismissed. And I can't say, oh, I didn't know that Logic was that emotional. He literally sings suicidal songs. And him even joke about it. Him say, if him feel like if him kill himself, him feel like people would have make memes. And you have to think about this. Okay, even in the sense of him being a man, this is what him think about himself. Whether he was joking or not, him think if him die, people won't be sad, people won't cry. And Bobby did reassure him. She said, no, if you die, people that cry, people will be sad and blah, blah, blah. I believe her. If Logic dead, enough people, then would have take it like how them take Chester Bennington. If Logic did kill himself, then would have take it like how them take XXX. They would have take it really, really hard. So perhaps what him sip on him timeline that is Google AI generated to his liking is not what the world think about him. And usually that's why people feel like they more hurt themselves or ultimately unalive themselves. Them say the world wouldn't care. Nobody would have cried. And even though it's funny if I have a legacy be left in memes, leave that up to the fans. We have the Knight of Wands. We have the Page of Wands, and we also have the Ten of Swords, yeah. What do you think? When you die, what do you think people will say about you? You think people will say you were an asshole? You think people are going to laugh and say you deserve it? You think people that feel bad because they never see your face again? I'm getting you felt defeat, and I never see your wife there to even help you to deal with these emotions. I'm getting some of your confidence, though. Your confidence coming back. Or perhaps if you sacrifice a lot, part of your sacrifice is exposing yourself. So you had to talk about this thing. Chester Bennington never talked about killing himself. Him did it. Him just did it. Him just did it. Him never talked about it. Him never come on a podcast. He just did it. You have people who talk about it and do it. Talk about it and never did it. And never speak about it and do it. Speaking of suicidal thoughts, how you mean to tell me say Eminem was just get Emma? Me don't know what just happened. The AMAs, me don't know what happened. Apparently, Eminem win best rap artist. Eminem look like him never know say him was going to win, right? So everybody was like, oh, Eminem won best rap artist. What the fuck is this? And then Eminem never even dare to accept the award. Him send one fucking telegram. Him send a Snapchat video. Hey guys, I just want to say thank you for the award. First of all, sir, that look like like it pre-recorded. That looked like everybody who was nominated for that award had to record a message saying that them did win before them know if them win. Second of all, he had no hope in winning. Eminem was like this. Eminem was like, man, I just want everybody to know, man, that I put in so much hard work and dedication, and I just want to I'm just thankful for the fans. You were present in Saudi Arabia, sir. Just like Trump. You weren't present to collect an award. Eminem did not think he would win because he's white. You know how white people have doubts in them heads. I'm sorry. I was married to a white man. They have doubts in their heads. Anyways. Right. So Eminem never even knows that him was going to win Best Rap Artist, and 50 Cent keep advocating for him. So it was I didn't like it. He should have been there to collect it. But you know, sometimes when you're around a room full of niggas and you're a white person, you might feel very intimidated. I understand. Anyways, let's continue the reading. Six of Pentacles is clarified by the Page of Pentacles. You're coming getting when you went for help, or when you were expressing your emotions, you did it to somebody younger than you. Me getting you needed help, but it had to be from a younger mind. I don't know. That was definitely not equality. The way how NLE Chopper talked to she was not how gentle she took talking to Logic. The Four of Swords is clarified by the Angel. Well, Sagittarius, you're here. And at least, hopefully, if Logic rewatch that, he will feel like an angel is on his side. He won't feel that lonely. Because at least him talk about it. Elon must never have a talk about it. Elon must never have to talk about his mental health. All he had to do was touch Gail, the foot, and the mental health issue was gone. Elon, we're going through the Elon, the Pornhub. This is XXX videos. This is only subscription. The subscription for that video for Elon Musk and Gail going to be the same subscription price you pay for X. Yeah, sorry. The Angel, that's you, Sagittarius. Come getting a thing, you're tired, you can't do it anymore, you can't talk. And hopefully you never get a terrible response like Bobby gave Logic, but hopefully, even if you have to pray, even if you're alone, I want you to know, Jah put an angel over you, be strong. Hold a firm meditation. One day things must get better. Don't you go down, keep your head above the water and say, one day things must get better. I'm getting be strong. There's an angel hovering you, them a guide you. Somebody hear you cry. See, the star card just fall out. Somebody hear you cry. And on top of Logic talking about how him feels suicidal even though him is a celebrity, God knows if him ever been through any sexual exploitation. God knows if him was a victim of Hollywood where him had to do terrible things and him can't open him eye from it. Because the Knight of Wands is here, which is usually a promiscuous figure. The star is behind him. So what did he have to do for fame? Who even have to say no to fame? Who did he have to forgive for doing nasty things on him because he was in Hollywood? God knows if he was sexually exploited. But I know him married. And out time out him say him no come out. Him not mingle, him not friends. Him stay with him wife and inside. So I don't know if your wife is doing you more damage, sir. But I'm Justin Trudeau knew what was happening. Anyways, Page of Cups is clarified by the Page, twins. Page of Cups, Page of Cups. They're clarifying each other. And to me, it was a big thing. Logic told the girl how him feels suicidal. He never tell a man. Him tell a girl. We have some about twins here. 2 water signs. Twins. I'm getting you mirroring somebody. The Ten of Swords is clarified by the Justice card. And I'm no, one shit that they start up with my family is one time I did enter this writing competition for CVM, and I was talking about the fact at CVM how I used to feel suicidal. No, I did not understand that the community of Jamaica did not understand what mental health was. I was writing, but the writing got very big. Now, who knows to what the government was saying about me? They probably did me as a suicidal child. Me did write to CVM about being suicidal and self-mutilating and all of these. Couple years later, CVM did hire me for them show the rap. So obviously CVM either never know it was me or them never held a grudge. But when it comes onto a government scale, what does the government say about you? You think any doctor office logic go in to know them going to ask him, have you feel suicidal in the last 6 months? Because him come out on the show and say that? What is the difference between you venting to somebody on a podcast and it's being taken legally? Oh, Logic said he's suicidal on Bobby's podcast. Is he a fit parent? Because I know sometimes you will try to open up and say things and then it's used against you. You hear say suicidal, you might hurt the kids. Your wife just cheated on you, probably because he's depressed all the time. Where is the line between genuinely being strong enough to tell somebody a story and to share your story with millions of people, and the government not saying, yeah, this bitch will stab you up if she's sad? Because that's not something people can come back from. And I know that usually when people talk about it, is either they want help or they want to spread awareness to other people for say, listen, your emotions are just like mine. And even though my mind look different or be different or listen to different music or eat different food, believe me, we all bleed the same blood. Unless you're a hybrid, then your blood would be purple or black. Anyways. It was only a kiss, it was only good chance. Now he takes off her dress. Now gave me. And let me tell you something about this music video, because it was back in the emo days, right? It named The Killers. This was not planned, right? The brighter side. 15 years ago, is beer, is prostitutes in a fucking brothel, right? And when I watched the video, they had 2 black girls. At least the emo white boys knew how important was it for the selection of black tits and pussy, right? And she was in a dress like all the other white girls, right? She wasn't in anything weird. I got out with man them talking about don't wear a dress. Like, what kind of hoe do you take me for? Telling me to not wear a dress. At least the black girl was in the brothel 15 years ago. This is an emo song. Black Queens forever. Let's go. We have religious agenda. We have Capricorn. That was your message. Capricorn, not the devil, but Capricorn. I just can't look, it's killing me. We got Capricorn, Sagittarius, Capricorn. Here's your Capricorn. Jealousy. I just can't look, it's killing. We have Taurus. We have Venus. We're getting something about a Capricorn and a Taurus being in love. We have Pluto. And we also have Scorpio. We're getting something either beginning or starting in winter. Winter is for the dead. But I'm getting something about you have to do. Now, I know people say them feel depressed in the cold seasons. I mean, who wouldn't? We're getting something when it starts in winter. But me getting again, Sagittarius, you have an angel over you. So be strong, okay? I'm going to leave it here. Until next time. Bye.